You get to be outside, so I go outside more than like ever. We get to go outside and just experience all the outdoors while learning.
A lot of outdoor activities. A lot.
Other schools might say that you have a 15-minute recess and only one 15-minute recess. I don't think that's enough time to actually get your resources up and going for that day because you only get one. But here at Prodigy, I feel like you get enough time to be outside and learning about the creation that God has made.
Like when we go out in the woods and we pick things up and we learn about nature, it's really fun instead of you having to pull up a video about it. And we're definitely lucky to have all of this surrounding of this beautiful stuff around us.
We're in this place where we can like run around in the woods and have fun, and I think you learn more when you're in the world and stuff.
We get to go outside and explore more, go into the woods, and discover more of God's creation.
I'm really adventurous and I like to have new adventures, and this is kind of like the adventure that I've been looking for.